Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear shocks on a Kia Sorento. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Gather all your tools, including a jack stands, and a socket set. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels before you lift the vehicle. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear like safety glasses and gloves throughout the process. Once the lug nuts are loose, carefully lift the rear of your Sorento with a reliable jack. Place jack stands securely under the frame to support the vehicle, ensuring it's stable before proceeding. Now, you can fully remove the rear wheels, which provides clear access to the shock absorbers. Identify the upper and lower mounting bolts for each shock and carefully unbolt them. With the old shocks removed, it's time to install the new ones. Some new shocks might require slight compression to fit into place. Carefully align the top of the new shock with its upper mounting bracket and insert the bolt, but don't tighten it completely just yet. Next, align the bottom of the shock with its lower mounting point. Insert that bolt, and then fully tighten both the upper and lower mounting bolts. After securing the new shocks, reattach the rear wheels, hand tightening the lug nuts to hold them in place. Carefully lower your Sorento off the jack stands until it's resting on the ground. Now, fully tighten all the lug nuts to the recommended torque specifications. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm the new shocks are functioning correctly and providing a smooth ride.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.